Legislation has been introduced which would allow Guam police officers to use body-worn cameras. And last week, Guam's police chief told senators he's in support of the initiative. Chief of Police Stephen Ignacio provided testimony regarding Bill 181-37, which would allow police officers to use body cameras and adopt rules and regulations for them. The chief spoke about the body camera program, addressing questions like how footage would be released, stored, and archived. During the hearing, he did make recommendations on what the footage captured on a body camera, or when the footage captured on a body camera could be released to the public. He said while the Guam Police Department does not yet have body cameras, it does have an established policy, a general order in effect, to which he recommended some revisions.
The general order spells out the responsibilities of the department and the responsibilities of the officers, provide general guidelines on when to activate and deactivate the cameras, and general restrictions on recordings and when appropriate. The general order also spells out who has access to and when access is permissible to recorded videos. General Order 700-60 also provides for details of the limitations when recorded videos can be released and to whom it can be released to. I recommend adding that release for use in criminal investigations and criminal prosecutions in accordance with the rules of discovery. Although I am not an attorney, in my experience, having recorded interviews and interrogations of these recordings must be made available as part of the discovery process. There are instances when release should not be made public. For example, encounters with juveniles, encounters with domestic family violence or sexual assault victims, and recordings when there is a reasonable expectation of privacy, such as in homes of citizens, unless the presence of the officer or officers is lawful.
Chief Ignacio said the police department has $200,000 allocated for the program, which would implement 43 body cameras. The legislature is hoping federal funds will cover much of the costs to purchase those police body cameras.